So when you delete an application on your Mac, it only deletes the application itself, but it leaves all of the remaining leftover files. So I'm going to show you how to delete all of these as well. To do this, we need to go to our web browser, and you want to download an application called Appcleaner, which does exactly what it says. When you uninstall an application, it's going to scan your whole system for leftover files, and you'll be able to choose whether you want to delete them or not. So to download the installer, you want to go to the download section, and you want to click on the latest version. From here, you want to choose where you want to download the installer, and in this case, I'm going to choose my desktop. So now we have the application downloaded, we just need to install it. To do this, you want to navigate to where you downloaded the installer, in this case it's in my downloads, and then you want to double click on the zip file and it's going to extract the application. Now I do recommend drag and dropping this application into your applications folder, and in this case I've already got it installed, so I'm just going to click on replace. So now we have the Appcleaner app downloaded to our Mac, we can go ahead and open it up. Because it's downloaded from the internet, you get this prompt, so you want to click on open, and this is what it's going to look like, and it's a very simple UI. Before we start using the app, the first thing we need to do is to give Appcleaner permission to delete files off our hard drive. To do this, you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left, and then you want to click into System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, you want to click on Privacy and Security tab, and once you're inside the Privacy and Security tab, you want to scroll down and you want to find where it says Full Disk Access and click into that. Once you're in here, you want to toggle on the Appcleaner, and you may need to enter in your Mac password. And once you've done this, it will have full disk access so it can delete files. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the system settings. Now we've gave Appcleaner permission to delete files, I recommend running it in the background so it's automatically going to find files on your system where you can optionally delete them. To do this, you want to click on the Appcleaner setting at the top, and then you want to click into the settings option. Once you're in the settings panel, you want to click on Smart Delete, and you want to toggle this on, which is going to allow it to run in the background. Once you've done this, you can exit out of the settings panel. There are two ways of using Appcleaner. You can either manually drop applications into Appcleaner, or you can delete applications as normal by dragging them into the bin. Either way, Appcleaner will scan for files on your system and will ask you if you want to delete them or not. In this case, I'm going to close Appcleaner as it runs in the background, and I'm going to delete Firefox application just as you normally would. Once I've done this, Appcleaner is going to scan for files in the background, and it's going to appear like this. And it's going to show me all of the files and folders that it's found on my system. Now I can manually tick or untick the files I want to delete, and once I've done this, all you need to do is simply click remove. Once you've done this, you can go into your bin or your trash, and as you can see, all of the files that it's scanned for has automatically been transferred into the bin along with the application. So all we need to do now is to empty our bin, and our Mac is now fully clean of the application that we have deleted. I just want to mention you should be careful which files you are deleting, as you don't want to cause any harm to your system. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.